Welcome to Fact Jungle, the channel where nature gets weirder the more you learn. Today, we're diving into one of the most mysterious, intelligent, and downright alien-like creatures on our planet. The octopus. Get ready. Because what you're about to hear might change the way you look at intelligence, evolution, and life on Earth. Octopuses aren't just smart. They're shockingly intelligent. In lab experiments, octopuses have opened jars, navigated mazes, solved puzzles, and even played with toys. In one famous study, a scientist placed a tasty crab inside a sealed, screw-top jar. The octopus examined it, rotated it with its arms, and, after a few tries, unscrewed the lid like a human. Even more impressive? The next time it saw a jar, it opened it faster. That means memory, learning, and adaptive problem-solving. Octopuses have around 500 million neurons, about the same as a dog. But here's the twist. Only about 1/3 of those neurons are in the brain. The rest are spread throughout their arms. This means each arm can act almost independently, exploring, tasting, touching, and reacting on its own. It's like having 8 mini-brains, each capable of decision-making. Think about that. When an octopus is multitasking, it's literally thinking in 8 directions at once. Octopuses are also camouflage masters. Thanks to millions of chromatophores, pigment cells in their skin, they can change color and texture in less than a second. They can vanish against coral reefs, mimic the ocean floor, or flash warning colors to scare off predators. Some species can even impersonate other dangerous animals, like sea snakes and lionfish, to avoid being eaten. This behavior is called mimicry, and it's one of the smartest survival tactics in the animal kingdom. In 2015, scientists sequenced the genome of the octopus and were stunned. They discovered that octopuses have over 33,000 protein-coding genes, more than humans. Some researchers even jokingly suggested that octopuses might be aliens in disguise. While that's just a fun theory, the truth is that their DNA is unlike almost any other animal on Earth. Octopuses can edit their own RNA, effectively rewriting their brain functions on the fly. It's like having a living, self-rewriting computer in your head. Octopus mothers show an astonishing level of sacrifice. After laying tens of thousands of eggs, the female octopus stops eating. She guards the eggs for months, constantly blowing water over them to keep them clean and oxygenated. She stays completely still, never leaving, even as she wastes away. By the time the babies hatch, the mother dies. It's one of the most heartbreaking and heroic acts of parenting in the natural world. Though they're smart and stealthy, octopuses are also hunted. Sharks, eels, and even dolphins will prey on them. To survive, octopuses rely on their smarts. They can squeeze into tight crevices, squirt ink to distract predators, and use camouflage to vanish instantly. Some even detach an arm, like a lizard's tail, to escape. And yes, the arm keeps moving after it's been severed. Octopuses are one of the only invertebrates known to use tools. Some have been seen collecting coconut shells and using them as portable shelters. They stack the shells, carry them across the seafloor, and then hide inside when danger is near. This behavior shows not only intelligence, but foresight, planning, and even a sense of personal space. Even now, scientists are still uncovering secrets about these deep-sea geniuses. We've only just begun to understand how they think, feel, and learn. Some researchers believe octopuses may have emotions, or even a sense of self. They recognize individual humans in captivity. Some show preferences, or even play. The more we learn, the more they challenge our definition of intelligence. So, are octopuses aliens? Not literally, but they are alien to us. A glimpse at how different evolution can look when it takes a completely different path. They are smart, strange, emotional, and incredibly mysterious. In a world where we often think of intelligence as something only humans have, octopuses remind us, nature is always one step ahead. If you enjoyed this dive into one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures, hit the like button and subscribe to Fact Jungle for more wild truths from the animal kingdom. And remember, the jungle of facts never stops growing. Thanks for watching.